Okay, guys, now welcome to part 2. And when we last left off, we were trying to build a river down to this lake. Now let's try to make the water now. Now if you see any holes left over, try to fill it in, and after the water is filled up, go ahead and dig the holes below it. This server does have a lot of some glitches, but is very lag free. Now guys, if you guys do want me to have my server back on, I have a server right now, but technically it's offline. If you guys can, please donate to my server. I'll give you the IP later in the description below. And if the IP changes, I will have to give the IP again in another video. Go ahead and place your waterfall wherever you like onto here. I did the waterfall by hand. If so you guys don't like this, you guys can try to leave this alone. You are almost done. Try to make some kind of cobblestone pillars jutting upwards of this water. Now try to put lily pads. If I try to put lily pads onto the water. I might not have any lily pads because this is a server. We are almost done. Now we're going to try to put some nice touches to the mountain. You're also going to need cobblestone slabs. You're also going to put some cobblestone near the river, making it look like it's being eroded away by the water. Also put some mossy stone near it. And also put some normal vanilla trees at the base of the mountain. Put 1 or 2 trees near. Now, right now, I'm gonna show you how to make a custom tree. The custom tree might be cut away, but it's okay. We're gonna be putting in the custom tree right here near the edge of everything else. Make it 4 blocks high. Make it bend over, making it look like it's a pretty old tree. Make it now. Try to make it spiral out of control. It's gonna be very stressful for trying to make it look like what you imagine it to be, but it's fine. Once again, sorry about my commentary. I don't really talk that much, but I am trying to practice a lot. And yeah, some horror games will be coming out later on, just to let you know. And letting through my foolishness around. And there we have it. We now have a nice mountainside. I'm not sure if this is pretty good enough, but let me know in the comments down below how to make more terrains, and also how to make a ravine. Now, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you did, please smack that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, gaming, horror, and more. Also, I'll be uploading almost daily now on my channel because now it's summer. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful summer today. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.